When Hailey met Selena.
Welcome back to my channel, Mentari Hassan.
First, open CapCut application. Click New Project. Choose only one photo. Then click Add. Go to Effect in menu bar, then click AI Effects. Go to Video Effect, then choose Hug Me Effect. Click Keyframe in the bottom, then add last frame, then generate it. The last frame is for photos of someone where you want the image to be hugging the person in the first photo. And wait until generating is 100%. This is the result of AI Effect Hug Me Effect. Go to Background in menu bar, then choose Blur. Go to Audio dot in menu bar, then click Sound Effects. Click AI Ultra HD, then see the video for details, then save to device. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and get notification for every video I made. I love you guys.